About to hit breakfast. About to hit the gym. This is what I've been eating before the gym. 1 serving creamy rice, 1 scoop protein.
Like that mind and muscle connection. So sometimes you notice, you guys, I pause, it's more for that and get a feel for things. So I'll do 2 sets of this weight, and then I'll bump up maybe to 3.
Oh, it's cold today. Whoa! Easy there. All right. That's pretty cool. All right. Ugh. All right. Man. All right, I'm about to hit the gym. I mean, it's a Monday. That means I'm off. It's a day off. July 6th. That means, celebrated July 4th a couple of nights ago. But I'm gonna make this quick. I'm trying to improve my workout. My eating habits. I'm trying to just kick everything up a notch. Okay? So that means my workout schedule is changing. It changed a lot once the job that I've been working at. So I had to change it for that, but it was all right. But then when my daughter was born, it changed even more, and I couldn't go to the gym as much unless I woke up super early and didn't get a lot of sleep. But now, I mean, it's still the same. But I'm trying to increase my training, and I'm trying to be more disciplined with my eating, which I was last year when I decided to count calories for the first time. I dropped 35 pounds. Dropped 35 pounds. You know, still working out, training hard. And then I took a break and then bulked up a little bit again. And now it's time to cut a little fat again. And then, so yeah, but I'm not going to film in the gym, so you guys can't get that, okay? But you'll see me after. You know what I'm saying? Peace.
I'm at the same neighborhood if you ain't my brother in Christ. I'm cutting it close, I'm skating on ice. All of my flesh, if it's beef, what I smell, I hate being liar. If you couldn't tell, lie on my name and lie on my king. If I did what I wanted, just
oh man, so see, I just got done with my Monday workout. So this is what I'm trying to do. Look, okay, I'm increasing my training days to 7 days a week. Now, look, do I need to do that? No. Is it necessary? No. Do I just want to do it? Yes. I love working out. So not only does it work on my physical health, it works on my mental health. I don't know how to explain it, because those who know, whatever, know, you know. If you know IYK, something, I don't know. It's one of those acronyms, you know? If you know, okay, well, whatever. But previously, I was doing like 4 days, because I would work out definitely on all my days off, which changes each week. It's either 3 or 4, 3 or 4, 3 or 4. And then if I don't, and that's going to the gym, if I don't wake up early, like I'm talking about going to the gym like 4 in the morning, then I'm not going to the gym, because I don't like going to the gym after work. I want to come home to the family. Hopefully they're excited to see me. But I don't want to go home. I work 12 hours. I don't want to work 12 hours away from my family and then come home and have to go to the gym and leave them again. So I do not go to the gym after work, unless they are out doing something. So if they're not going to be home when I get home, then I'll go to the gym, but that's rare. So I got to find ways to work out other times. So if I do not wake up super early, I bought things like a sandbag, a weighted vest. I have I have stuff at home. I got dumbbells and stuff. I can work out at home. It's very limited. I can still get a workout at home, so I could always do that. Lately, I've been working out with my sandbag on my second lunch break at work, which I enjoy. It's rough, but I like it, It makes me feel like a man, heavy sandbag. I just go in the parking lot and start doing, squats and walking lunges and stuff. But so I gotta find other ways. So now, because before I used to work out 6 days a week. Before I got this job, it was 6 days a week. I'd rest on Sundays. It would be Monday through Saturday. and I used to love it. But that's when I had like, you know, regular work schedule. Now I work 12-hour shifts, which, well, I'm not complaining about the work because it's the best schedule ever. But now I gotta alter my workouts around that, and I have for the most part. But now I think I need like a little bump up, you know, just to keep things going so I don't get bored, and you know, so I can improve. So wish me luck. I'm just joking, I don't need it. But I am gonna attempt 7 days a week. I have my workout split mapped out already, you know, and I think it's gonna work out amazing. The only problem I have is like waking up in the morning. So if I can master that, because once I'm up, I'm up. Like if I can just stand up out of bed, it's all smooth sailing from there. Smooth sailing. But the problem is that little get up, you know, because once I'm up, I'm good, I'm ready to go the whole day, you know. But you know, just gotta pray on it. Lord, give me strength to get through these workouts. Well, getting through the workouts is not the problem. Like I just said, my problem is waking up. So once I wake up, I'm good. The Lord give me strength already. He gets me through my workout every time. Man, I tell you. But all right, now, so it's 9:30. Time to go home. You know, see what these kids are doing. Gotta eat my post-workout meal. I'm telling you, I'm trying to be more calculated. Again. Post-workout meal. I gotta work on some music today because I'm working on a new project. I took a long break from music after my last album, but you know, I'm back in the studio working again. And you know, I'm getting that feeling back again, like, you know, getting excited about creating music again. But I took a much like a year, almost like a little over a year break. I mean, I was dibbling and dabbling, always writing, but actually recording music with intent. I took like over a year off, you know, just doing family things, and it was great, still great. But I'm back in the studio. That's right. Hi. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
You want me? She said no.
Daddy,
Yes.
can we watch a movie?
What? We'll see later. Did you tidy your bed?
It's done.
More fresh if I put foil.
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay, well, I gave her some snacks.
Where are you kissing me?
I know you didn't.
Here.
Ow! What did I step on?
I'm gonna work out.
Okay. Let me see. You're a creep, dude.
She needs to stay away from like here. It bit her finger down there when this was
what?
closing.
I know she keeps sticking her fingers in there.
No, like this. Look, when this opened. I know, but I didn't know when this opened.
Oh,
she
down there.
went in right here,
Oh.
and then it snapped her 2 fingers, and I was like, "Why are you crying?" I was like, "Fine." Okay, Daddy's all yours, baby.
All right.
See, she has a little snack. Make sure she, you know, she.
Okay,
Kiss me.
we're vlogging.
Kiss me.
Kiss it.
Shishi me shishi. Maybe it was my creatine, but
You know, it's very orange.
that's what it looked like in the shaker. Yes, reason. I'm listening. So what?
Nah.
What do you mean play with your Funko Pops? What Funko Pops?
The one in my room.
You can play with a couple out here.
Okay.
Oh man. Oh, let me get my water bottle. I mean, fill up my shaker. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. All right, I started my first day of my 7-day training.
Woohoo! Yeah.
But it feels better because you know how I was doing like back, biceps, legs. Now I split it up into having just a full leg day, 3 times. But I don't combine it with anything else. Love you too.
Oh, the water.
I got it. Hi.
I'm gonna put the calendar too when I have everything.
I know.
No, I mean in the studio.
I know.
Babe, can you give Reason the measuring tape?
Where is it? To give to you? Here you go, sir. Creatine. This is the creatine. Castle. What do you want to do? Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Oh. You don't like it? Hi. Good morning. Yeah? What? What? I'm a glove head.
Wait.
I know, Captain America.
Captain America's over there.
Where?
Inside the studio.
Inside the studio. Oh, don't play with that. No. That's my microphone. Nah. You saw my
Reason, did you put my watch?
Your hat fall off.
No. That's your glove. Oh, go. You gotta walk. What? He put on the charger? No, one at a time. Don't eat like Kuya.
It's not too hot today, but I
I
feel
think there's a zombie
feel
me.
like the humidity's a little higher today. Well, I'll take that over to brew. Water made me use. Oh, cool.
Boop.
You know this picture? That's a famous picture. It's a fake picture. I know. That was on Get Big, remember? It was everywhere.
You wanna play baseball?
Cutlass. Who made this? I want
You wanna watch a League of Their Own?
And then Fogan made me this. Okay? Wow, nice.
There's no crying in baseball. Huh?
Daddy, now I cut
Very cool.
these teeth.
And he also,
You cut my legs off?
also
What was the... Oh, bless you.
this.
What was the other one? Oh, the other one was with legs?
What do you think about this
Oh.
right here?
Oh, man.
Oh, she ate it.
But you still want
Oh, she ate it.
Huh?
We both wobble our
Nice.
heads.
And he
You
said,
both wobble your heads.
Right. And he can't get to me. Ting.
What's that? Ding.
Game.
You gotta walk. You ready? You stand down.
Go walk.
No. Ready? Cash.
You walk.
Bet you'd walk for ice cream.
Oh.
Yeah, you wanna walk for ice cream? No, come on. Okay. I will force you.
Reason
Okay,
walk.
walk to daddy.
Let me check. Come here. Come here.
Okay, I'll walk.
All right. You know what? Go walk to go to the bathroom. Come here.
Go to daddy.
Come here.
Oh.
Come on, you walk. Walk.
Later.
Yeah.
I
Huh?
think I remember.
Okay, tell me. What do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Is it what? You want to smell it? It doesn't smell like anything. What is that? What is that?
Why you gotta record that? You're so annoying.
I'm recording my daily life because I'm bored. I'll just wash it then. Can you see this? I'll just wash it, Reason.
Daddy,
Yeah.
when you're in the living room, can you use the camera like it?
Lightsaber.
No. No.
What?
Michael, what?
Like
2 hours later. He go laka. What? You wanna make a TV show?
a helicopter.
What?
Like a helicopter.
What are you, Petey Pablo? North Carolina.
Please
I'm trying to make you pancakes, dog. Come on, big dog.
don't say that.
What?
Don't call me a name like that.
Big dog? You don't like big dog?
What? Wait, who's big dog?
That's you, big dog.
He was about to say it.
That's you, big dog.
I don't know who's big dog.
That's you, big dog.
Stop.
All right, hold on. Do you want a lot of pancake?
Yes.
He likes, a little tablespoon of whipped cream on top.
Yeah, so put on all of them. Then
No, that was
He don't like whipped cream.
Well, he did now. Oh, I'm talking
A tablespoon.
pancake.
Oh, finally.
Put a little bit, little what?
Okay, so I ate my creamy rice this morning, right? And I used the brown sugar, cinnamon, whatever, and I made it, and it was fine. Hey, out of the kitchen, I'm cooking. And then I was like, cause it's rough, cause it's hecka dry. So I put my white chocolate raspberry whipped cream on it. Hecka good. I'm doing it every time. 15 calories?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
Right, babe. Reason? No, Daddy's cooking, baby. You could go in there when he's ready for you to mix it, okay?
Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna make it then.
Reason.
If you're gonna whine,
Daddy, you can mix the pancakes, but you gotta wait till he's ready for you to come in.
you let me.
okay?
I gotta let you in here.
Okay?
Okay. That's the password. And then you sit at this table and you can mix it. But I don't want you coming near this stove when it's on. You know that.
Right? Reset. Right?
So when I say come in, I'll let you in, okay? 63? Is that enough for him? I feel like I want some now too. I haven't had these in a while. Oh, that's good.
Because you want the raspberry white chocolate.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. I might make some for myself. That sounds good.
That's why you ate all them pancakes.
No.
I try to get a line. They actually use this line.
Oh. Come here. Reason, come here.
To work.
Huh? What'd you say?
You're okay right here?
Yeah, go work.
My pre-workout's tingling. I'm feeling my tingling senses.
You need more milk?
She gave him the smaller whisk.
Oh. This one, or is there a medium one?
No, that one.
Here, try this.
12 reps, 3 sets.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You just gotta tap it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, it's not.
Do you want any of this chicken? No. This lemongrass, that's all that's on there, right?
And other ingredients.
That's nothing. Show the camera. Is that good? No, like this. Does it look good?
Yes.
Oh, that does look good, actually. Give me that. Okay. Please exit. I'll let you know when it's ready.
Please exit. Please exit the premises.
Please exit.
Is this your pops? Well, I didn't even know. Why didn't you just toss it?
I didn't know it was there, but I just stepped on it. I didn't know it was
You stepped on it, so you knew.
I didn't know it
I
was
stepped
there.
on it, but I'm not.
Annoying.
And pretend it wasn't there. Like the adult,
Johnny Bravo.
no,
Oh.
adult version of the guy from Incredible. The
Mr. Incredible?
No, the villain.
Oh, he does. What?
Also looks like.
Yeah, he
the
does.
actor,
That's funny.
oh my God! Why can't I think of his name right now? The one who looks like Eric from church.
Oh, Will Ferrell.
Look, his face, just his face.
Oh yeah, he does. That's funny. But he really does look like the guy from Incredibles. What is his name? I don't even remember. 7.1 ounces.
Buddy.
Buddy. It's not
Mr.
Buddy.
Well, that's Mr. Incredible.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So this is like, you know,
Yeah? What?
she has like 2 more bites, okay? This is
Yummy!
purple carrots, rice, squash,
Purple carrots, rice, and squash.
and chicken,
Look at my plate.
chicken bouillon.
Look at my
And what?
plate.
Bouillon?
Look at my plate.
I know. Okay, Reason, come here.
Already.
Ah! In her mouth still.
Wow, baby, I'm so
Yes.
When I'm done with breakfast, can I have a BTS Oreo?
Later.
Where's the BTS word?
Okay, which whipped cream? Mine?
Yes!
Oh.
Mine is not.
And then, so you put the syrup?
I put a little bit of syrup and then I top it with that.
And I like it.
And I like it. All right, come here,
I
eat.
like the way you
Sugar-free. Sugar-free. Who's that? Who sings that song? Sammy? You didn't know that.
Sammy?
I'm just joking.
Who's Sammy?
All favorite day. Look, it's all favorite day.
Wow, my baby finished all her food. Can you soak this with water and open it up.
There's your drink.
Hey, Jacko, what's going on over there? What's that? What are you guys eating?
And Daddy's eating poo-poo.
I'm about to make pancakes too. Just a little bit.
No, you're eating poo-poo.
All right. I'm gonna eat your pancakes.
No. You're eating poo-poo pancakes.
All right.
You want to bet?
No. What kind of bet is that? What are you talking about? Like this? What? Dollop? Boop. Boop. Boop.
Hey, I want more.
No.
No.
You need no more than that.
Ching, ching.
Crazy.
I want to cut it off.
You want to what?
I want to cut it.
Go.
Cut.
Okay,
Here.
babe, I gotta go back.
Okay. Here.
House is right here.
I said cut.
I know. You still need a fork. But she finished her food? All right. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. Eh. What's wrong? Huh? Castle, come here. Oh, she's at the door. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, come here.
What are you doing? You want to drive your bluey car?
She wants to play with it.
She can't sit on it by herself yet. Castle. I'm just joking. What are you eating?
Pancake.
Pancakes. No. Go. No, no, no. Not over here. I'm gonna have chicken and pancakes. Does that sound good?
No.
Why? It's like chicken and waffles.
Bye.
You're not eating it,
I know.
so why does it matter? Pancake, 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 pancake. It's a pancake. We gotta calculate this, dude. Let's see.
Now we have to make ice cream stuff.
Yeah, yeah. All right, let's see. 7.1 ounces. Hi. You want your water? What's your water?
But I was so cute, make me water.
Huh?
I was so
No, put that back. What are you doing?
water.
Huh?
Water.
You're not drinking out of that.
Why?
Where's your water bottle? Alright, we're eating pancakes and chicken. Protein pancakes and chicken. Oh! Okay, go over there. Here, go play with Kuya. Did you wash your hands and your mouth? I know, this is weird. Right? It's a little weird. But I didn't plan to eat the pancakes. But I might as well. Chicken and pancakes. Oh. Chicken, lemongrass chicken at that, and protein pancakes. Yep, it's weird. I'm not gonna eat them together. I'm gonna eat them separately. We gotta tracking the calories. Ooh. Ooh. What are you doing? Look. Ah! Oh, you didn't turn it off? Okay.
But now, this is the one that it did already, but
It's okay. Just go to Disney and Marvel. Best friend. Right here. Mm. Huh? Huh? What's wrong? Huh? 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 Huh?
it would be too good, but then start again.
Oh. It's one of my favorite Marvel movies. It's one of the best ones.
My best one?
Spider-Man. Avengers Infinity War. Endgame. What?
You know what's my favorite character?
Spider-Man.
You know what it is?
Shang-Chi. Oh.
Oh yeah, it's this one.
Casio, come here.
It's this
Ooh. I didn't know you were still over there.
That's not spikes.
Watch, when she puts on her helmet.
You must be Helen.
That is to help. Wait, it's this one. When he exited to school, he wasn't Peter Parker, he was Spider-Man. And Spider-Man,
Why is your finger over here?
because
Follow the. Why is your finger over there? So you don't lose your place. Okay, go.
Because I want to show you the web.
Okay, my bad. Okay.
Wait, after this one I'm done?
No, keep going. I'll tell you when you're done.
Where am I? Where am I?
Yeah, you see? Because you moved your finger.
Laughed at as he tried to. He needed to be stopped.
Yeah, so.
Sandman. And was. I don't know what this is.
Let me see.
Look. Sandman.
Enlarged.
Enlarged his sister and brought them down like he could a giant hammer? No. Hammers? No.
Like two giant sledgehammers.
Like hammers. They said to his father that were
No? Don't be hating. Okay, let's go. Oh! Where are we going? Oh, man. And I opened the door. Look at that. They're already fighting. Already fighting. We go in Walmart. Thank you. All right.
Tight, so tight.
Who, me? I know I'm so tight.
Now this.
I'm so tight.
And
He said
this-
I'm so tight.
And this is so tight.
Is there anything else that we need?
You know what it says?
Yeehaw.
Hey, I want to show you.
Yeehaw.
Watch. Hee-haw.
It
Yeehaw.
says yeehaw.
Daddy up. Bullseye.
Not hee-haw. Hee-haw is what a donkey says.
Yee-haw.
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw. Wait. Hey. Yee-haw. Just get this one.
Boy, that's not her size.
Did you see them? This one?
Oh my god, these are all on sale.
Here. Look. Oh, they're all $4 or $3. $3 or $4.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Alright, Cass, what do you want, babe?
Walmart. Oh, there. Look at these ones. The Lilo Stitch one. That's nice.
For $4, I'm putting all this other stuff away. Is there a price check? I just want to make sure I'm
Oh, I didn't even realize they're eating pasta.
I like when he says that. I love you.
We just spent 3 hours
Oh,
at Walmart. No, it was like 2.
oh my
I need
god.
blanket.
Dang near.
Blanket.
Like 2 hours at Walmart. But we got all the clearance deals.
But you're recording.
Am I?
Yes, can you?
Hey,
Yes, Shay.
my hand's wet.
Yes.
All right. Finally home. You want to see how we end in the day after Walmart? We try to be healthy, I promise you. Dun dun dun. Pause. Pause that. Look at this. Ooh. That just looks like napkins. Ooh. Ooh, I missed Five Guys. Pause. When's the last time we had Five Guys?
Did you pray?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
I stay prayed up. Come on, Reason.
No.
You just want to change after then? After you eat? Okay.
Yeah.
Go pray, bruh.
Dear God, thanks for everything and the food, and thanks for staying with us. And we love you so much. In Jesus' name, we pray, amen.
Amen.
We have
Oh, yeah.
meat. we have the meat. Here, here, on here.
Record yourself eating?
Yeah. You gave her my burger?
No.
Oh man, that's my burger.
What did you drop?
Caught you red-handed. Caught you red-handed. Caught you red-handed. That's my burger.
Tell Daddy to back up. Can you open the door?
Yeah.
It's hungry. Wait. I'm gonna shower. Gross.
These are spicy. These are spicy.
I'm eating whatever Daddy's eating.
You don't like this spicy.
Huh?
She said no pictures.
It's too high.
I know. Can you bring it closer right here? Huh?
Hey.
Ragnarok?
Why are you taking my food?
Look at this. Healthy. Protein style. Look at this. I should just add a bun. Do we have buns?
Come on, Cass. Let me change a bit.
It's not the same, but it's still good.
Castle, come on, baby.
You know what I should ask them? You think they should make like a potato bun like out of fries?
That's more calories.
I'm eating the fries anyway, so might as well just put it as the bun. It's not extra. Just take the fries from my meal and put it in as a bun.
Oh, like a Cajun bun?
Yeah.
Be there, be there.
No. She said Five Guys is her favorite burger.
Me too. Yeah, Five Guys is better. I just wish they made like a 4x4 or something. I love In-N-Out, but Five Guys is slightly better. And their fries are way better. But see, aren't you proud of me? I didn't even order bacon.
I know.
I told you I'm gonna stop eating bacon.
Wow.
Don't take all my ranch.
We got a whole bottle of ranch. I just want a little bit.
Why are you gonna stop eating bacon?
Because pork's bad for you.
I didn't get bacon either.
Well, I normally do. I usually get bacon cheeseburger from here.
Why are you not at Castle's?
Apple's on my chair. I want to go. Yeah.
Straight from
I have the
box
power.
lunch.
Yes. Oh, let's see.
I have the power.
Ooh.
This way and show in the back. Show in the back. Show in the back. No, like show in the back. I have the power.
Is this cool?
Yeah, I have the power of Grayskull.
It's cool?
I have the power of Grayskull. You have to get the shield. I mean, you have to get the sword.
Oh, no.
You do.
Why?
Because remember it makes sound. Unpause it.
It's closing time. How does that song go?
What?
The closing song? Close.
Closing song.
You know when they used to play it like at bars or stores? It's closing time.
I don't know, babe.
Daddy,
popular song.
Can you do the new
It's like a real song.
Can you do this one?
What? Vlogging, watching a vlog.
What's that?
Did you guys bring my water up? Reason you brought my water up. Where is it?
Here.
I'm not recording you. I'm gonna turn it off in a second. Thank you, my child.
Oh my gosh!
Castle.
Hey.
Cass. No, 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 no.
Oh no!
No, no, no. No, no, no.
Oh, here go. Let me light his. Here's a sparkler out of
Where are you going? No, no, no.
Reason, no, just you can hold it. Just go that way.
Look, this is the reason didn't like the sparkler. He put it on the ground.
What? What? Oh. If you want to put it down, put it down. It's gonna go out.
No, no, no.
You don't have to.
Not bad.
No, no, no.
I don't know if they have.
And I just wanna be liked in real life. I want your hard eyes in real life. Let me follow you and you can follow